Welcome to Simplekidscrafts.com, episode 924, how to make a custom sun for your Barbie doll. For today's video, I'll be using one of these dolls which you can buy at any discount or 99-cent stores. These are about 99 cents for a pack of 4. Start by removing your doll's hair carefully. Then, using a good quality nail polish remover or acetone, remove the paint in the lips and the teeth. Remove the paint in the eyebrows and the eyelashes. Retouch the eye. Paint high eyebrows. Then, draw a hairline. Paint the hair using glass paint, puffy paint, fabric paint, or dimensional paint. Use a cotton swab as a holder, then let the head dry overnight. Paint the shoes using nail polish. Use a cotton swab as a holder, then let them dry overnight. I made this video because there are very few toddler boys in the market, and I wanted to have my own for my Barbie. Since in real life I'm the proud mother of 2 amazing boys, it made sense to me that Barbie should not only have little girls, but it should also have little boys. Well, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and don't forget to comment, share, subscribe, and keep on recycling. I will see you on the next video. Bye!